My name is Bhavani Shankar Tripathi. I am a General Secretary of the RWA, Sector 23A. Today I am talking about the garbage and sanitation issue in this sector, the residential sector. It is an authorized Huda sector. It's about 20 years old. But the sanitation issue seems to be a perennial problem in this sector. As you can see behind me, I can show you the dumps of garbage. It has been here for months. And despite reminders to the municipal corporation as well as earlier Huda, this garbage has never been cleared. There are unauthorized colonies around this sector, and we have seen that many of these people in the colonies come and dump their garbage here during the night hours when there is nobody to watch. There have been instances, many cases, where this garbage has also been put on fire. And during the nights, the entire sector is then filled with so much smoke that it becomes very difficult for residents to actually breathe and have a good night's sleep. There are many complaints from elderly people, asthmatic patients, and the children who keep coughing all night. This has been brought to the notice of the Municipal Corporation of Gurgaon again and again. And if the cameraman can show you and he pans all around, it's almost like 500 meters, half a kilometer by half a kilometer of garbage dumped everywhere that you can see all around. He can take you in a circle, a full circle, then you can see. You can also notice how there are constantly cattle, pigs, stray cattle, stray pigs. You can focus, the cameraman will focus on that, and you can see the number of pigs and dogs and cattle that is constantly here grazing on this garbage, eating a lot of polythene. And this cattle probably belongs to also somebody, and if they are milking this cattle, you can imagine the kind of poisonous or the toxic elements that can get into the milk from this cattle. We had to finally go to the senior town planner, Mr. Sudhir Chauhan at the Municipal Corporation of Gurgaon, and had to beg him to get this cleared. With his intervention, and we are thankful to him, with his intervention, work has finally started here, but MCG has very clearly told us, rather the contractor, the sanitation contractor has clearly told us that this is the last time he is getting this cleared. After that, it is not his responsibility. The big question then is, in public areas, somebody is disposing of garbage and throwing garbage. Whose responsibility is it? Is it the responsibility of the citizens, the residents of this sector? Is it the responsibility of the administration, the Municipal Corporation of Gurgaon, which is responsible for keeping this sector clean? Since May 2016, when the sector was handed over to Municipal Corporation of Gurgaon, not even ₹1 worth of development work has happened, despite repeated reminders, despite repeated meetings that we have held up to the level of the Joint Commissioner. We are thankful to the Municipal Corporation Senior Town Planner, Mr. Chauhan, who actually could motivate his sanitation staff and send them today to get this area clean. Garbage is not the only problem that you can see here. If we can zoom the camera, you will also be able to see that there are many construction and demolition waste which is also dumped here, and it has become very risky. Many times residents have sighted snakes during the evening. People pass by through this place. There is a college out here. There is a university called the NCU University here, and the cameraman can show you there. It's a big university. Much of the construction waste has also been disposed of by the college here, by the university, when they were constructing a new building. And they also continuously dispose of their green horticulture waste whenever they clean up their gardens and so on and so forth. So this land is about 6.5 acres. 2 acres has now been recently given after the court order to the cremation of the village Katapuri, which has been shifted just 20 yards away from, which was earlier part of a park, which has now become part of this land. It was earlier 8 acres. Now 2 acres have been given to the cremation ground. We have got 6.5 acres which is left, and we have been pursuing for the last 3 years, we have been pursuing with Huda that they must construct here a Gymkhana club which should cater to the people, to the residents of sector 21, 22, 23 and 23A. Almost 1 lakh people, residents live in this area, and we have no source of entertainment here. Developing a Gymkhana club is one way of ensuring that land is profitably used, as well as it is not only socially good for the residents here, but also will enable us to maintain the place and keep the area clean. Till that is decided by the government, and we have been pushing for it for the last 3 and 4 years, But till that is decided, we have also asked the Hooda administration and now the Municipal Corporation of Gurgaon to at least create a boundary wall around this land so that we are able to prevent any kind of disposal of dead animals or disposal of garbage and waste in this land. I hope this video is helpful to people who are watching it, and we can motivate the MCG to take permanent and remedial measures to make this area clean. We are aiming to make Sector 23A, despite all the disadvantages that we face, we are aiming to make Sector 23A as a model sector in Gurgaon. Thank you for watching.